Hey viewers, welcome back to Ainish Kitchen. Today I am here with another interesting recipe, and that is a nutritious vegetable bread. We have heard of so many different types of bread, but our today's recipe is a vegetable bread. The best part of this bread is that the dough will be ready in just 5 minutes. No kneading, no time for proofing, and no oven. It just takes 20 minutes and you have your homemade nutritious vegetable bread. Your bread right from your kitchen. This bread recipe is perfect for breakfast, and this recipe is especially for our tiny tots who are fussy about vegetables in their tiffin box. Now you can hide the vegetables inside the bread. So let's quickly start the nutritious vegetable bread. Before we start the recipe, let me remind you, if you are watching my channel for the first time, do click on like and subscribe button so that you will be notified of all my future uploads. You can add in any soft vegetables to this recipe. Choose those vegetables that are easy and quick to cook. Example, the beans, frozen peas, spinach and so on. I like to have rainbow colors, so here I have taken 3/4 cup red capsicum, cutting them into small cubes. Then 3/4 cup yellow capsicum, one medium size onion, cutting it as small as possible. I have taken a large potato to grate, and after grating it will make up to 1 cup potato. The potatoes have starch, and for this bread I do not need starch. So squeeze out all the starch water. You can tie these potatoes into a kitchen towel and squeeze out all the water, or simply just hold the potatoes between your palms and squeeze the excess water. Also, I have some spring onions left in my fridge, so I am using it to give a nice bright green color. You can use green capsicum. Instead, you can use fresh parsley or coriander leaves as well. These vegetables can be chopped at night and stored in fridge. This will make your morning life easy. In a large bowl, add in 3 eggs. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes. Instead, you can add freshly chopped green chili. Adding chili is completely optional. Whisk it well until the eggs turn bubbly and fluffy. Time to add the self-rising all-purpose flour. I have taken 1 cup of flour. If measuring in grams, 1 cup is equal to 128 grams. Add in 160 ml of milk. Whisk it. The batter should be runny and lump free. Whisk it well. Now add in the chopped vegetables and mix. If you feel the batter is thick, then add in a spoon of water and mix. The batter should be runny consistency. Check for salt and flavor. The batter dough is ready. So this bread dough requires no yeast, no kneading, no time to proof and no oven. The bread cooking process just takes maximum 20 minutes. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. It is very important to spread or brush the butter on the pan sides. Reduce the flame to the minimum and pour in half of the batter and spread it evenly. The point over here is to cook at the lowest heat. We all love cheesy bread, so here I am adding 1.5 cup of mozzarella cheese. You can add any kind of cheese, or even cheese slices will be perfect for this recipe. Now pour in the remaining batter over the cheese spread and gently spread out the batter. Do not disturb the cheese layer. Cover and cook it at the lowest heat for around 12 to 15 minutes. Once the bread is cooked, it will leave the pan sides. With a spatula, check the pan edges. The bottom looks to be cooked. So now it's the tricky and the scary part. Make sure you hold the plate tight and carefully flip the bread. Now again carefully slide the bread into the pan. The bottom is perfectly cooked. It is important to cover the pan and allow it to cook on a low flame on the other side as well. This side it only takes 5 minutes to cook. The sides and bottoms are released from the pan. To check if the center of the bread is cooked, insert a toothpick or a knife, and if it comes out clean, that means the bread is properly cooked or baked. It's time to transfer to the serving bowl. Ta-da! 20 minutes and the yummy nutritious vegetable bread is ready for the breakfast. Or serve it as a snack. Don't miss to try this vegetable bread today. Let me garnish with some more vegetables. The bread is so soft and super hot, but I don't have the patience to wait until it cools down. Cut the bread into wedges or square as you wish. If you add 2.5 cup of cheese instead of 1.5 cup cheese which I have added, then the center part of the bread will be more cheesier. So I have added 1.5 cup cheese. You may increase your dose of cheese. La 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 la, look at that bright colors and the bread is fluffy, soft and very moist. Have it as it is or serve it with some ketchup or chili sauce. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked this recipe. Stay connected until I come up with another interesting recipe. Happy cooking!